How to change background in a video in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you two methods on how to change background in a video on CapCut. So first of all, after you open up, now the first method is after you uploaded your clips. Now I have two clips, but I want to change the background of this first clip. So the first method is right click on the clip that you want to change its background. I'm going to go to copy, tap on your timeline and paste. After you paste in your video, now you duplicated the clip. So now deactivate the first clip. After you deactivate the first clip, select the second clip and then go to remove background and tap on this auto remove button. After it's removed your background, come back and activate the first clip. After you activate the first clip, now select the first clip. So now go to basic, scroll to down and then tap on this canvas. So after you tap on the canvas, scroll to down and tap on this section and choose color. After you choose color, scroll to down here, it will give you different color to add to your video. So you can go ahead and choose the color. After you choose the color, here it says background has been added. So tap on this mask. After you go to the mask, tap on this add mask, select rectangle, scroll to down and click on this reverse. So now drag this arrow. After you drag this arrow, now the background will peel all your change the background. So that's the first method on how to add the background. Now you add a color background. If you want to change the colored background, just select the first clip and then go to basic again, scroll to down. Here you'll be able now to see different background. You can be able now to add it to your video. So the second method to change the background is now after you add your video like this. So now I'll just go ahead and delete now the first clip. So just I'll delete the first clip. So let's say now you just add your video like this. So now here is now my video. After you add the video, just select the video and then go to this remove background and tap on this out to remove. After it's removed your background, now you can go ahead now and select the background that you want to add to your video from your PC. So let's say I have this background. So now I want this image to be my background. So now if I play the video, so now the video is playing with this specific background that I added to it. And that's it guys on how to change video background in CapCut. Be sure to like and subscribe.